Your Walmart Spark application can stop moving immediately if your insurance document doesn't match the information Spark expects, even when your policy is completely valid. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons a Walmart Spark insurance submission gets denied and the fastest way to correct each one. The first thing to check is whether the insurance card matches the information on your Spark account exactly. Your full legal name should appear the same way on both. If your insurance card uses a nickname, an old last name, or leaves off part of your legal name, Spark's verification system may reject it. Next, confirm that your policy is active. If your insurance recently renewed, switched carriers, or changed policy numbers, upload the newest insurance card instead of an older copy. Even if the old card was valid last month, Spark may only accept the current document. Now look at the image you uploaded. Blurry photos, cropped edges, glare from overhead lights, or screenshots that cut off the expiration date can all cause verification to fail. Take a clear photo on a flat surface with all four corners visible, or upload the original PDF if your insurance company provides one. Also make sure you're uploading the correct document. Spark expects proof of insurance, not your vehicle registration, driver's license, payment receipt, or policy declaration page, unless specifically requested. Using the wrong document type is a common reason for rejection. If your policy was recently updated, give the system some time before submitting again. Insurance databases don't always update instantly, so resubmitting immediately after making changes may produce another denial. If everything looks correct and your insurance is still rejected, open the SparkDriver app, go to the Help or Support section, and contact SparkDriver support. Tell them your insurance verification was denied, confirm that your policy is active, and ask them to review the uploaded document manually if that option is available. Having your policy number, vehicle information, and insurer ready can speed up the conversation. Before uploading again, double-check your name, expiration date, policy status, and image quality one more time. Small mistakes are often the difference between another rejection and an approved submission. To recap, verify that your insurance information matches your Spark account, upload a clear and current proof of insurance, and contact Spark support if the document continues to be denied after you've confirmed everything is correct. Try those steps before submitting another upload. And if this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more Walmart Spark troubleshooting tips.